What did you draw in art class last week?
I drew a picture of a cat in art class last week.
Did you help your mom in the kitchen?
Yes, I helped my mom in the kitchen.
Who did you invite to your birthday party?
I invited my best friend and my cousin to my birthday party.
Did you take a bus to school yesterday?
No, I walked to school yesterday.
What movie did you see at the cinema?
I saw a funny comedy movie at the cinema.
Did you visit a friend over the weekend?
Yes, I visited a friend over the weekend.
What game did you play at recess yesterday?
I played tag at recess yesterday.
Did you have pizza for dinner last night?
Yes, I had pizza for dinner last night.
Where did you go for your last holiday?
We went to the mountains for our last holiday.
Did you ride your bike in the park on Saturday?
Yes, I rode my bike in the park on Saturday.
What book did you read before bedtime?
I read a story about animals before bedtime.
Did you plant flowers in the garden last spring?
No, I didn't plant flowers in the garden last spring.
Who did you talk to on the phone yesterday?
I talked to my grandma on the phone yesterday.
Did you clean your room on Saturday morning?
Yes, I cleaned my room on Saturday morning.
What did you learn in your English class last week?
I learned new vocabulary in my English class last week.
Kindly show your support by clicking the like button.
Did you play any sports after school yesterday?
Yes, I played soccer after school yesterday.
What did you have for lunch at school last Monday?
I had a sandwich and an apple for lunch at school last Monday.
Did you go to the zoo with your family last year?
Yes, I went to the zoo with my family last year.
Where did you visit during your last summer vacation?
We visited the beach during our last summer vacation.
Did you draw a picture in your art class last Friday?
Yes, I drew a picture of a house in my art class last Friday.
What did you watch on TV before bedtime?
I watched a cartoon on TV before bedtime.
Did you help your dad in the garden on Sunday?
Yes, I helped my dad in the garden on Sunday.
Who did you play board games with on Saturday night?
I played board games with my sister on Saturday night.
Did you visit a new restaurant last month?
No, I didn't visit a new restaurant last month.
What did you do on your birthday last year?
I had a small party with my friends on my birthday last year.
Did you visit a museum with your classmates last week?
Yes, I visited a museum with my classmates last week.
What did you wear to the party on Saturday?
I wore a blue dress to the party on Saturday.
Did you eat ice cream at the park yesterday?
Yes, I ate ice cream at the park yesterday.
Where did you go for your last family outing?
We went to the zoo for our last family outing.
Please hit the like button to support us.
Did you go to the park yesterday?
Yes, I went to the park yesterday.
What did you eat for breakfast this morning?
I had cereal for breakfast this morning.
Did she watch a movie last night?
Yes, she watched a movie last night.
Where did they go on vacation?
They went to the beach on vacation.
Did he play soccer with his friends on Saturday?
No, he didn't play soccer with his friends on Saturday.
What did you do last weekend?
I visited my grandparents last weekend.
Did it rain yesterday?
No, it didn't rain yesterday.
Who did you meet at the party?
I met Sarah and Jake at the party.
How many books did you read last month?
I read 3 books last month.
Did you have a good time at the concert?
Yes, I had a great time at the concert.
Did you visit a museum last month?
Yes, I visited a museum last month.
What game did you play with your friends at the park?
I played soccer with my friends at the park.
Did your family have a picnic on Sunday?
Yes, my family had a picnic on Sunday.
Where did you buy your new shoes?
I bought my new shoes at the mall.
Did you watch a cartoon on TV yesterday?
Yes, I watched a cartoon on TV yesterday.
Please hit the like button to support us.
Did you visit a museum last month?
No, I didn't visit a museum last month.
Where did you buy your favorite book?
I bought my favorite book at the bookstore downtown.
Did you play any sports over the weekend?
Yes, I played soccer over the weekend.
What did you do on your last birthday?
I had a small party with my family on my last birthday.
Did you watch a cartoon yesterday?
Yes, I watched a cartoon yesterday.
When did you start learning English?
I started learning English 2 years ago.
Did you eat pizza for dinner last night?
Yes, I had pizza for dinner last night.
Where did you go on your last school field trip?
We went to the Science Museum on our last school field trip.
Did you meet a new friend at the park?
No, I didn't meet a new friend at the park.
What was your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject in school was science.
Please hit the like button to support us.
Did you finish your homework yesterday?
Yes, I finished my homework yesterday.
Where did you go on vacation last summer?
I went to the beach on vacation last summer.
Did they watch the movie last night?
Yes, they watched the movie last night.
What did you have for breakfast this morning?
I had cereal and milk for breakfast this morning.
Did she visit her grandparents last weekend?
No, she didn't visit her grandparents last weekend.
When did you learn to ride a bike?
I learned to ride a bike when I was 7 years old.
Did you meet your friends at the park yesterday?
No, I didn't meet my friends at the park yesterday.
What was the weather like on your last birthday?
It was sunny and warm on my last birthday.
Did you enjoy the concert last night?
Yes, I enjoyed the concert last night.
Where did you find your lost keys?
I found my lost keys on the kitchen counter.